Alexa, and their three children, Sophia, Natalia, and Mateo. General Manager Pat Verbeek are proud to present John with a ceremonial silver stick commemorating his 500 games in an Anaheim Ducks sweater. Now welcome Ducks Director of Goaltending, Sudarshan Maharaj, here to present John with a Tiffany Crystal on behalf of the National Hockey League, recognizing this remarkable achievement. Finally, we'd like to welcome Ducks alternate captains Alex Delord, Ryan Strome, and Captain Radko Gudas, who, during a recent practice, presented John with an awesome mule tractor. Take a look.
That's after they practice there.
The players also have a gift for John's wife, Alexa, a beautiful Cartier bracelet. And the Samuelis would like to present mini sticks to the kids.